Stanweaver, to me, is community. It's an opportunity to really partner with the engineers, the contractors, anybody that's involved in the built environment. And it's just an opportunity to build that community. Our focus at Stanweaver is solely on maximizing our value to our customers. So we do that by listening to our customers, by partnering with them, by building relationships for the long term. There are over 500 engineering firms in Florida that we have active relationships with. And maintaining those relationships is incredibly important so that we can learn from them, so that we can better improve the type of education that we provide, whether it's PDH webinars or taking engineers and customers to the factory. Extensive experience, and our team brings knowledge and expertise and allows us to bring that to the engineering community. Our industry is constantly changing, whether it's codes or innovation in our products. It's not only difficult for a representative like Stanweaver to keep track of all that, but for the engineers who are designing the projects to keep track of those products, to keep track of the codes, is also a challenge. We find that in our position between the manufacturer and the engineer and the contractors, we can bring a lot of value to our partners by bringing that education to them. There's a million ways to sell a product. Really resonates for me with Stanweaver is that we focus on the people and the partnerships, because that's how you come up with the best solution. Is you listen to the end users, you listen to the people that are designing the project, and you build those relationships so that you can pool your collective experience to find the best solution.